for package from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to talk about a budget cheap ass gaming mouse from China. As you can see here I have two mouses, and it is also a little bit of a comparison because when searching for some awesome mouses from China for a low budget, for let's say around $10, I noticed there were exactly two mouses with a price difference and another brand on it. So in this video I'll also do a little bit of a comparison on what are the differences. So first of all, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's more like a mirror match, because these things are, like, if you look at the body, exactly the same. Only they did some little differences. An auto decal, they added here a little text, the buttons are different colors, but yeah, and overall they're exactly the same. This is also a big difference. This is rubber compound and here we have just plastic. So yeah, there are some differences, but the body itself is exactly the same. And the price for, yeah, it depends a little bit where you buy it, but some of them were, let's say, $7 and some were just $8. So let's talk about the mouse body itself. Because yeah, what I think is very important of a mouse, that it is very nice of grip. So the first time I'm noticing holding this mouse, I must say it feels very comfortable because of all the curves. My thumb is having a very comfortable position. The buttons here at the side are very clickish, not as cheap like the other mouses I've reviewed, but not bad at all. We got a little extra button here, so for people who are playing shooters or MMOs, this can come in handy. We got in here the DPI switch. The scroll wheel feels very nice. Got this rubber compound to it for extra grip. And also got a nice click. So, in overall, I think this is a very comfortable mouse if you have a big hand or a small hand. If you look at the height, it's not that very high, so that is also very important. I think it's very important. Let me know what you think of this. So yeah, nice grip. I want to test it out. Yeah, it's just a casual shooter. It's more like an... Alright. Alright, let's try a little bit of the DPI settings. Yeah, low DPI. So that works fine. Ooh. It's more like a Doom clone, I really like it. Yeah, I just wanted to do a little bit of a gameplay and show you how's the response of the mouse. I think it's also a very nice mouse. It responds very well, plays very well. Nice click. So yeah, let me know what you think of these cheap mouses. Would you consider buying something like this? I really love to know. But I thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the little bell to get it updated for new videos. And see you next time. Bye bye.